Hi my friends, you are welcome. In this video I will show you a faster way to subtract fractions. First example, 9 over 3 minus 8 over 5. In the first step we multiply the denominator together and write the result in the denominator. 3 times 5, 15. In the second step we multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction and write the result in the numerator. 9 times 5, 45. And then we put the negative sign. In the third step, we multiply the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction and write the result on the numerator. 3 times 8, 24. In the fourth step, we subtract numbers in the numerator together. 45 minus 24 equals 21 over 15. Second example, 65 over 23 minus 47 over 43. In the first step, we multiply the denominators together and write the result in the denominator. 23 times 4 times 43 equals 989. In the second step, we multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction and write the result in the numerator. 65 times 43 equals 2795 minus. In the uh, in the third step, we multiply the denominator of the first fraction uh, by the numerator of the second fraction and write the result in the numerator. 23 times 47 equals 1081. In the fourth step, we subtract the numbers in the numerator. 2795 minus 1081 equals 1714 over 989. Thank you for watching.